Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to install the Rakuten app on your Android device. If you're not familiar, Rakuten is a popular shopping platform that lets you earn cash back on your purchases from hundreds of online stores. It's a game changer for savvy shoppers, and getting it set up is super simple. So, let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your Android phone or tablet is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. This is crucial because you'll need to download the app from the Google Play Store. Open up your Google Play Store app. It's that colorful shopping bag icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you're in the Play Store, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in Rakuten and hit the search button. You'll see a list of results pop up, so look for the official Rakuten app developed by Rakuten, Inc. It's usually the first one, with a lot of downloads and good ratings. Tap on that to open the apps page. Now, on the apps page, you'll see a big Install button. Go ahead and tap it. The app will start downloading and installing automatically. Depending on your device and internet speed, this might take a few seconds to a couple of minutes. Keep an eye on your screen for any permission prompts. Just grant the necessary ones, like access to your location or storage, as they're needed for the app to work properly. After the installation is complete, you can find the Rakuten icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. Tap it to open the app for the first time. You'll be prompted to sign in or create a new account. Follow the on-screen instructions to get started. And just like that, you're ready to start earning rewards. Wrapping this up, installing Rakuten on Android is quick and hassle-free, taking less than 5 minutes. It's a great way to save money on everyday shopping, so give it a try and see how much you can earn. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.